Alrighty guys, so we're here. I just got news that ERC added the new helicopters. So I'll see if they have an update log. I'm unfortunately banned from their Discord because mods are toxic, what can I say? But the new update log, latest update log. Trying to find the new update log, but I don't see it. So I think all they added was the helis, so we're gonna go to police team and test that out. Oop. So let's see. They did not update the police station. No, they did not. Thought they would have updated the police station. So let's see. How do you do this? How do you call in a heli? How do you do it? I don't know. Do you gotta go here? Request air support. Oh, here. Okay. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna grab my Corvette. And I got someone here in the server to help me with. So I'm gonna bring him. Okay, he's here. Whoa. So I just told him to get a car. I'm gonna chase him so that we can request air support to go after him and see what this update is like with the new air support helis. Okay, so now SWAT is wanted. So I'm gonna request air support. Locate him. Confirm. I don't see no helis yet. So I requested air support on him. Oh, there's a heli. So, guys, here is the new heli. It keeps track with the located criminals. So, like, if you're looking for a criminal, you can look in the air, and they show about where he is at. So that is really cool. So I could just, I tried to put him off. But, like, the plane stays in touch with him until I arrest him, I think. So I'm going to try to arrest him now. Wanted, and I'm just going to go to SWAT. And then I'm going to eject him. So does the plane go away? Okay, yeah. So once you get the suspect, so like you could go to your MDT, you could request air support, which I don't think I can because it's there's a cooldown of 2 hours, and then so it locates the player and all. It locates them, and then once you get them in handcuffs, it goes away. So that is actually pretty cool. So that is it with this update, guys. Just about the new helis. Thanks SWAT for the help. Shout out to SWAT for helping. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.